What is good, everybody? Shoot, we getting it in. Hey, yeah, it's looking good. I don't know where the hell we going today. We're just gonna ride for a little bit. And what is going on, everybody? Man, today, what a day! What a day! Woo! It is Easter weekend. We don't celebrate that, but we were on a trip back from Houston. And I came back today, early this morning. Everybody was celebrating Easter and at church and all that BS. We was on the road. So we got back. I drove the whole way back from H-Town. It took us about 3 hours. Yeah, it took us about 3 hours. Pretty dope. Long trip, but it was raining over there and it had finished raining over here in San Antonio, and I was just hoping that it would just stop raining. But it did. The rain ceased, and I was just like, I really need to get out today. I want to go out and bike today. How we out? It's just a nice little chill ride. Crazy. He's solo today. I don't know if any of the boys is out today, but it's probably about 90 something degrees, probably like 90, 91, 92. It's hot, but when you're moving, it's not. Just want to get it in, but do a loop. I ain't see too many police out. Earlier, I didn't see too many police out on the highway. There was some state troopers out, but again, it wasn't like nothing crazy. I think everybody's just trying to take it easy for the weekend, but in the residential streets, it is the police were out. Give a holiday ticket, warm up these tires, man. I just said there's no police. There goes police. Yeah, the state troopers is out today. Hey. And like instantly everybody slows down. It's just crazy. Instantly, like everybody slows over. That is the coolest fucking Honda. That is clean. That is clean. That's the cleanest Honda I've seen in a long time. Oh, get it? This is where people like to do dumb shit. Real dumb shit. Just stupid shit, like right there. Dumb shit. Dumb shit. Real stupid shit. Oh, don't know it. So I did want to address something, man. There's a lot of people just hating about me telling them to blur your speedo. You got dumb people that's just like, well, I ain't gonna say they're dumb. I'm just saying you got goofy people that's like, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. It does matter. It matters because who cares if they can see your like your area or whatnot? You can see the sign. Who gives a shit? But if I'm not going 190 miles an hour, it doesn't matter. You're just speeding in excess of your local law. For example, if it's 75 miles an hour and you're speeding and you're going like 80, 85, 90 miles an hour, that's just speeding, right? It's still illegal, but it's just speeding. But if you're blocking your speedo, it's okay, because they don't know how fast you're fucking going anyway. So it's like I don't know, man. It's just fucking, I don't get it. So what if they can see where you are? You know what I mean? But if you're doing like 190, you're not blurring anything, and you're just they got where you live based on your signs on the road and all this stuff. And then on top of that, you got like 100,000 plus subscribers. You're hot on YouTube. You're the hot talk of the town, bro. You're everywhere. Like, you're hot right now, bro. They gonna get you. They're gonna look for you. You know what I'm saying? So it's crazy, bro. Some dude was like, oh, they'll do geolocation on you. I'm just like, that's not how they fucking caught him. That's when they came rocking, because they were fucking, they seized his freaking social media account. They seized his social media accounts, and that's how they got him. You know what I mean? Like, so, it's like, you just gotta be smart, man. I always tell people, be smart with what you're doing. Just be smart with what you're doing, you know what I mean? Like, just be smart. I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell people, dude. It's like, they get mad because you talk about it, but they're gonna talk about it any damn way. So why are you getting mad at a small fry? You know, it just don't make no sense, you know what I mean? The other thing that I did not speak on is the incident that happened up in Dallas. The incident that happened up in Dallas a couple days ago, or yesterday or so. I think it was a couple days ago. I was in Houston. It's like a 16 bike pileup, man. Like, luckily nobody lost their lives. I wasn't there to speak explicitly on what happened, but all I can say is, from all the years of experience that I have riding since 2004, one thing I am for certainly for sure of, is that when you get big groups of people riding on the highway, there are other factors that are in play. Usually there is a camera car and this camera car is recording everybody, right? This camera car is recording everybody. So everybody is basically doing selfies. You know, it's a pack of people, and they're doing fucking selfies. So one thing that's gonna happen is that you're gonna get people that want to show off. They want to fucking show off, right? Everybody's doing a roller. That's basically usually what's happening. People are doing rollers, and you know, people are slightly distracted because the person in front is usually the lead or whatever. They're trying to get some shine a little bit, and then some people fall back, somebody else goes up. You know, it is what it is. But usually, if it's not user error, you know, something can always go wrong. I always say that. The guy, you know, what I heard is that somebody had somebody's tire blew on them, and they were in the lead, and they went down. And I guess other people didn't see it, didn't have time to react, and it just caused a bowling pin, you know, a bowling situation where you strike. Everybody gets hit, you know, you hit all the pins, and I think that's kind of what happened. Just sad, man, it sucks, but luckily nobody lost their lives.